Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was down 0.5% today. Really interesting day in terms of just the kind of the mood of the market. It's been this way ever since the middle of July. As the second half comes through here, we've been having more down days obviously than up days. Our hourly chart, if you look at that data, is in a primary direction down. Right, that's still pretty early, pretty expected actually after the big run up that we had. However, it's kind of interesting to me the way the market reacts. So Microsoft announced earnings after hours today, and they beat their estimates for earnings. They beat their estimates for revenues, and they announced maybe softer than expected growth in their cloud computing area. And so all of a sudden, the stock dropped 6% after hours. Now, after hours sometimes can get carried away. We'll see what happens really tomorrow. But it is kind of interesting. You have, I think, good results, and they're focusing on the one thing that they don't like. Now, it's an important thing. Cloud computing is one of the more important areas, that's for certain. However, if this was a different time frame when the market was in a better mood and moving up in the right direction, easily could be up 6% on exactly the same report. That's just kind of how it works. You just have to wait until the mood changes. I would think there'll be a couple things that could be catalysts for that. Somebody that really rocks their earnings, sort of like NVIDIA did a year ago, or the Federal Reserve really signaling that they're going to cut rates in September. That's not likely tomorrow, but it would be a catalyst. Obviously, the rate cut in September could be the piece that does make things move, especially if they do something a bit more dramatic, like a 0.5% instead of a 0.25% cut, those types of things. So, this is a seasonal time of the year where the market is generally soft. And so the mood is going to be, I think, on the negative side. And that's okay. This is how it works. This is what happened last summer and early fall. Market floats down, get a chance to, maybe accumulate some shares at these prices, rotate into some good things that maybe when things turn around can do quite well. So there is continued motion into stocks that have been unfavored. Unlike the Magnificent Seven, these big tech stocks, a lot of stocks haven't moved that much, and now we're starting to see them move. The Dow did okay today. The Russell 2000 did okay today also. So that breadth motion to other stocks is still going on, which I think is quite interesting. And it's been at high enough levels that you think maybe this time won't be the little head fakes like we've been getting. But we'll see. And again, I still think that's a healthy thing to watch for also. So anyway, that's what's happening today. I look forward to talking tomorrow. Of course, tomorrow we've got the Federal Reserve coming out with their announcement, and then the Q&A session with Chairman Powell. That's always very interesting. We'll talk about, what we saw there. So look forward to talking to you then. Thank you.